group's mini presentation. Our topic is impacts of air pollution in Hong Kong. Maybe most of you think that this topic is too boring, just like these bubbles. I think most of you, when you first hear our topic, you may definitely think of these bubbles. However, we still choose this topic for our project because of several reasons. First, this is a really very important and a hit topic, and due to air pollution, there are many serious problems caused, and just like I've mentioned, many people may think that about what the air pollution is very common and is always talked about many people, and they think that things about air pollution is boring and they have already know about it. So they normally they will ignore the issue about air pollution. So we have to raise the awareness of all of you again, and to recall you that air pollution, impacts of air pollution in Hong Kong is a very serious problem, and all of you have to pay more attention to it. How to find the articles related to our topic? We have several processes. First, we type the name just like air pollution in a searching engine, and then the website will show lots of related websites for us, but we have to specify what we need actually, and then we click into the website and identify what real subject or what the issue it is talking about. And then after we have found the article, and we first scan it to see whether it is really suitable for our topic or not. And this is our related articles. The names is shown there. But after we found this, after we have deeper understanding of this article, we find some advantages and some disadvantages of this article. Let's move on to the strengths and weaknesses of this article.
So let me talk about the strength of this article first. There are many case studies and examples in this article, and this is a very good way to express the idea in a more sounded way to all the readers. And the level of this article is very easy because there are not many difficult vocabularies or difficult specific terms in the article. Even if there are many citations are given, and this can help all the readers to understand the issue better. And because our topic is about air pollution, and we want to raise others' attention to this issue more. And this article is about whether it is the time to have reassessment in air pollution. And the conclusion for this article is that it is the time for us to have reassessment. And this can show the seriousness of the problem nowadays. So this can help to raise others and awareness of the air pollution. But there are also some weaknesses sorry, on this article. After we write a summary on this article, we found that maybe this article we found in the internet is just the introduction part of the whole research article. That means it is not a complete article that we found on the internet. And because this article is only about if it is the time to have reassessment, only the results and the methods of the past researchers are discussed, but our topic is about the current situation, so maybe this is not a very relevant article for us. And also, the assessment of the particulate air pollution is discussed in this article, but our topic is about the effects of all the air pollutants exist in Hong Kong. So this may not be very relevant to our topic.
Finally, for the conclusions, what is the aim we choose the topic? It's because, just like Jessica said before, because air pollution is very important and a hit topic in Hong Kong, and it's very serious, and we also, most of us will ignore these issues, so we have to raise their awareness and let them know more about this topic, so we choose this topic. Actually, what information is given by this article is in this article it gives many case studies and like some researches and some reviews done by the investigators, but because it's short and not focused on the effect bringing by the air pollution, so that we just only can study for these case studies and some researches, and it can show the problem, the seriousness of the problem, but we actually don't know the fact that what kind of factors affecting our health by air pollution. For this, in this article, how it is related to our topic, just like I said, there are many case studies, but just showed the case studies have done many years ago. How the article help us, although it is not very useful because it won't show the actual factors affecting us, but it does help us in some aspects. For example, the case studies and some examples. For example, that it had talked about some studies that have done many years ago, just like from, for example, the studies talking about in Belgium in 1930, and we can broaden our horizon and know more about the air pollution in the world. And through the different cases and examples, we can further study this, just like the sources from different pollution and the impact on different parties, just like different countries, and we can know, for example, in London and in Belgium, and for particular solutions to different problems. And even the topic, the article we found is not that related to our topic, but in this article, is very easy for us to understand because there are not many difficult terms that we don't know. So, and we can learn many cases of air pollution. So it really help us. Thank you. That's all of my presentation.